Hello and welcome to Orchids 365. If you're new and if you've been here, welcome back. It's been a while, guys, and I welcome you to this magical repot. I have my beautiful rainbow colored unicorn pot, and I want my lovely Dream Ace, one of my very favorite Dendrobiums. I think she will sit nicely in there because, as you can see, she just loves, water. And I don't want to make the same mistake I did with my hibiki. And before we start, I thought it might be fun to introduce you to my new friend here. Yeah. So sorry guys, but we have to relocate you. Okay? So we're gonna go put him over there and start the repot. No frogs were hurt in the making of this repotting video. There he goes. Alright, little buddy. Find yourself a new place. Oh, how easily the mess begins, right? So, because it's been sitting in that for a while, I do not want any surprises. So I'm gonna put these on. Well, half the time I end up taking them off. There is a piece of perlite there. Oh look, my neighbor decided to have a party. Alright, hope you enjoy the background music. Anywho's, nothing like repotting with a little bit of salsa, right? Wow, and it's early, guys. Alright. Anywho's, here goes that. The timing could not be more perfect, right? Yeah, go ahead. Anywho's, so, yep, packaging peanuts. I'm gonna put some in the bottom. I'm gonna measure how tall she's gonna sit. This is as much as I have right now. If I need any more, guess I'll go out and grab some to keep her water levels. And packing peanuts, charcoal, a little bit of lava rocks. Whoopsies. Real life repotting. See, my mix proven to be the test of time. Oh, and bark, yeah, but everything is, see, in equal portions. So I'm gonna give her a squeeze. Don't know if any more friends are gonna hop out. The heck, I've used these a lot and they feel quite tickly. There's also something in the bushes. I think it's a bird. This is gonna be a fun repot. All right, anyways, giving it a squeeze. I had something real scary come out once, which is why when I'm taking these out, ants, of course, not bueno. Come on. She's way, you know what? I don't need this plastic pot, so keeps giving me a hard time. I'm just gonna cut it. Yeah, I don't want to hurt her roots, so I have no use for this. I'm gonna get the scissors. Yeah, real quick, grab the scissors. And where did I put the scissors? All right, here they are. You have a real snip there. I have no intention of keeping this, and I already made her a tag. Oof, look at those rootsies. Yes. Nice. Whoa, I don't want to get rid of that big piece of root right there. Hope you can hear me. Yay, she's out. Look, isn't she pretty? Hold on, let me put on my gloves. Show you. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Oh, that's probably evidence of a water balloon popping in the patio all summer with the boys. Huh, funny. Look at that. So I'm gonna try to loosen her up a little, because I don't like the mosses. Whoa, it is packed, which means I have to be careful. I have to make sure to what is that? To keep watering her as she needs. Okay, I'm gonna hop on here once I clean her up. So I'm gonna continue the repotting video. I hope you can hear me. There is a salsa party, and now there's a lawnmower going. But yeah, these are the perks of outdoor growing, right guys? So much to my surprise, look, she was looking real pretty. I stopped digging Look, roots are healthy, there's no yucky gunk, and so I'm thinking I'm just gonna leave that bit of moss in there since she's happy in it. And then I'm gonna measure for size. See, I love this pot because once I put the media inside, it'll help keep her up, because she's gonna hopefully grow a lot of canes, and when she flowers, she's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop up. See if you can see that better. Okay, scoop up some of my mix. And then still think she needs a bit more. Maybe that's too much. Let's check for size. I don't want her to sit too low, and I'm letting her roots just do their thing. So I think this looks about right, because I still have space to put some of this moss to hold her steady in the middle. See? So I'm just gonna let the roots do their thing. I'm gonna get some of this clean moss, which I will wet when I'm done. I usually don't keep much of this stuff because of my conditions outside growing, but she seems to be one that needs to have some moisture. Does not like to completely dry out, because that would probably affect her. I learned my lesson, because when it wasn't raining much, I didn't have my René Marquez sitting in this, and you know that caused him to dry up. My Hibiki as well, I don't think had enough to retain moisture. So what I did was I put a little bit of my mix at the bottom, because that drains really well, giving her the opportunity to receive the water that she needs, but at the same time to dry out. I'll keep an eye on her, and if she needs more, probably run out and grab another bag. I'm letting these roots go wild and do their thing because it's her style, you know. I just was worried about keeping her in that plastic container, because it was all the roots were just crawling out and it was getting ready to burst. Again, this is the Dendrobium Dream Ace. Tried something new with my tags, with these they're like little foil tags, and I went ahead and printed the name and see how long it will last on vinyl. So this is an experiment. I'll keep you posted on that, and just looking for a way to keep my IDs, because I do keep the ones that I laminate indoors just to help me catalog them, as well as my Instagram, which is mostly for cataloging orchids and sharing the beauty. So she's sitting real pretty. I'm just pressing this down. Don't know if I should do the leca, because I usually top it off just for aesthetics purposes, but she's looking real pretty. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Rainbows, unicorns, everything magical. I just love this Dendrobium, and it was so nice to hop on here real quick. Aside from all the technical difficulties, the lawnmowers, the salsa music, if you stuck with me, you're pretty awesome. And here's my other one, maybe next time, I guess, because she's my little seedling, japonica, Sederia japonica, given to me by my awesome friend Vanessa. And look at this seedling, guys. Look at this. So I'm thinking she may be repotted next. Look, see? Another magical repot. I keep her here, and I just empty it out, and she's pretty happy growing under my other pergola with the seedlings. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna probably hang her or sit her on the shelf. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a magical rest of the week. Take care, stay safe, be kind. Let's grow together. Here she is, sitting real pretty. Look at that. I did add more moss to help tuck her in and stand straight, and then what I did was I added a few of my beautiful marbles there, because I'm afraid of her tipping over. I always have to think about rainstorms and wind and stuff, so I'm hoping this will keep her standing up